Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. First I'm going to explain the chords, and later I'm going to explain the introduction part of the song, and later I'm gonna sing a song for you so that you can get how it goes. So first I'm going to explain the chords. The first chord you need to know is A minor. With your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord you need to know is C. With your link finger on the third fret of the first string. That's C. The last chord you need to know is F. With your point finger on the top first fret of the second string from bottom, with your middle finger on the second fret of the fourth string, top string. Okay, that's F. Okay, that's the old chord you need to know. Now I'm going to explain the strumming patterns of this song. I'm gonna use this pattern. As an example, I'm gonna use C, by the way. The pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Just repeat these patterns and you will get the song. Or either, if you can't play these patterns, then you can just play down, 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 down. That's fine too. So you can choose between these two patterns, then choose the things you can play. Now I'm going to explain the introduction. So the first chord you need to know is C. Play C. Pick the first string, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the second string, and pick it twice, and first fret of the second string and pick it, second string, 1, 3, twice, so that's the first set. The next set is A minor. With your point finger on the second fret of the top string, and with your link finger on the bottom string of the third fret. Play. They do the same. And F, this one, the normal F shape, plus with your link finger on the first string of the third fret. Do the same. Then C. That's the introduction. It's easy enough, right? Like C and A minor and F and C. Okay, so that's the tutorial part. And now I'm going to sing a song for you. Enjoy.
Her eyes make a star look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I'm 10 on every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her she won't believe me. It's so to think that I should don't see what I see. But every time she asks me do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just that way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops their stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just that way you are.
If you liked this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.